welcome back to our YouTube channel. We two besties are here with our next episode.
Yay, it's me Sindhu here. Guys, in this episode, we would be talking about 25 things learned in 25 years. And the reason to choose this topic is because I turned 25 in the month of May of this year, and unfortunately, it happened to be a quarantine birthday.
And hey guys, it's Rakshita here. I would be turning 25 in the next few days, and I'm very excited to see how this birthday is going to be, as every one of us are trying to adapt to the new changes in our life. And we both are very grateful for these 25 years, and we hope all the remaining months in 2020 would bring the better for us. As the year is on a serious note, guys, we would like to share a bit 25 serious lessons with you all. So I shall begin with the first one, guys. So we need to learn from our mistakes, and it's okay to screw up in life. Nothing will be perfect in the first go, but also we need to make sure that we do not repeat the same mistakes in our life.
And the second lesson is things get tough in life. So it's okay to cry, it's okay to be angry. But remember, it's not okay to ignore your pain. So we always have to let our tears out very loud so that the inner feeling would go and we would be all fine. If we are having the inner feeling, so it would be very hard for us to overcome.
Yes, and we need to know our finances. We need to know how much we are spending, how much we are investing, and how much we are saving in our income, guys.
The next lesson is time heals most of the wounds, right? As we all know. As crap as you feel now, we will always feel better overcome. So we just need to have patience and faith and just move on in our life.
Yes, and guys, remember everything we hear is an opinion but not a fact. We need to start seeing the things from a different perspective. We should not judge one without knowing or without listening from their point of view.
And we all will meet people who will dislike us even though they do not have any reasons, right? So that is how this enemy concept is there in this world. So we will come across such people, but we have to there is no point, guys, in trying to change their minds to like us or something. It's their own choice. We just have to move on without even convincing anyone.
Yes, and the seventh point is that respect, guys. I strongly stand by this. We need to treat one how we like to be treated. So everybody should be respected as an individual, no matter what.
And the eighth lesson we have learned is we come across many people in our day-to-day life. So some people will bring out the worst in us, some the best, and others the most. So guys, we have to tightly hold on to the ones who bring the most from us.
Yes, and we need to set intentions daily. We need to have a to-do list. I am that kind of a person who will have a to-do list, and only then I'll start working on the daily things. So, the satisfaction that you get while striking out a chore, it feels so good.
And the next lesson we have learned is be grateful. Appreciate that everything is a gift in life. You will learn to cherish everything around you, even yourself, and even the hardship of our life.
And we need to give importance and time to relationships that matter the most to us. We need to show how much we appreciate one. You need to compliment them. You should not discourage one. You should motivate. So all these things would make their day. Even the small little tiny things will make one person's day.
And the 14th lesson we have learned is we have to be curious about each and everything in our life. When we start assuming things, what happens is we ourselves try to close off with opportunities. So instead, we have to ask meaningful questions and wander off sometimes now and then.
And we need to show up for the people we really love, and they will definitely show up for us, guys.
And the next lesson is, guys, yes, there is definitely something called luck, right? So everybody would have related to this. Yes, I believe that luck and hard work goes hand in hand.
Yes, and we have to also work hard. In case if you're not interested in the current job that you're doing, it would happen with many people, right? But still, you'll have to somehow motivate yourself, because by the end of the day, it's not good if somebody points at your work and say you're not doing good, or this is wrong, right? So you wouldn't feel good. So at least for that sake, you have to do your job. But if you have a passion towards something, you can do that as a hobby. Maybe that would turn into a career one day, and you also feel happy, right? When you're doing something you like, you would feel happy.
Yeah. So the 18th lesson we have learned in 25 years is that love but never be attached, right? Love and attachments everybody would have in their life. And guys, we have to remember that love and attachments are like two different things. And we have to love everything and everyone, but also we have to be able to let it all go someday, because nothing is permanent.
True. And we should have self-respect, guys. You should not let anyone put you down, anyone hurt you. If you're coming across people like that in your life, please stay far from them. It's not good for you. Maybe once or twice it's okay, you can just ignore. But if something is happening continuously and you're feeling not good, and you're getting hurt, maybe it's the person would mean the most to you, but please stay far from them. It'll be difficult, but it'll be for the best.
Yes, that's true, guys. I hope these lessons are kind of relating to you, and even you people could get something from our learnings, right? And let's go to the 20th learning. So I know sometimes it sucks, but end of the day, guys, what is important is we have to look up, and we have to be presentable in this world, and don't forget to be well dressed.
Yes, and also you have to take care of yourself, guys. You need to take care of your body. Nobody else can do that for you, right? Nobody else can exercise for you or eat healthy food for you, right? So you should take care of yourself. And when you cannot do that, it's okay to rest. You have to give your body rest. But when it's required, you have to work harder. And you should not be harsh with your body. Take care of yourself in and out.
And the 22nd lesson is, which is very important for us, I think for most of them in this world, and which we have also learned. So just to overcome some feeling, guys, it could be like happiness or sadness. Addiction to stuff is not only the solution, so we have to overcome from that.
Yes, it's always, good to party, have fun with friends, but also we should know our limits in life. We can play games instead, go out for a long drive with friends. You can have a tasty meal in your favorite restaurant and cherish those moments, If not, if you like to be alone, because I know people would like to be alone if they are sad, or if they're not okay to mingle with people. In that case, you can just get lost with nature and have time with yourself, guys. Also need to disconnect from technology. You need to take your time. You have to read books for a day. Seriously, when you're reading a good book, you just go into that zone, like the story will relate whatever the story, a good book you're reading. The satisfaction of reading a book, it feels so good. So have a practice of reading like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, how many ever pages you can read books. It really feels good in a day, guys.
Yes, and the 24th lesson is, guys, it's okay to give ourselves a time off. We don't have to be a superhuman always, right? So we know society has high expectations on us, but it's okay to have a break.
Yes. And also, guys, the last but not the least point, the family, the elder people in our family, we always tend to have misunderstandings with them or argue with few points, right? But at the end of the day, they are your family, and they are the ones who try to who wish the best for us, You have to consider them also. Family, parents, relationships, cousins, everybody matter the most.
So, guys, that's about our 25 learnings here. We know that this episode was kind of loaded with serious talks, but we also hope that most of them could relate to these learnings. Another thing is, you can share your learnings with us in the comment section below or send us a message on Instagram as well.
Yes, guys, and thank you so much for making with us till the end of this episode. And see you all in the next week with another fun episode for you all.
As always, ending the episode with this note: if you want to write back to us, you can do that on any social media platforms, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, #WithBFF.